Do you or a friend have some unfiled tax return? Maybe it's just 1 year, or maybe it's several. In either case, it can be hard to figure out just where to start to try and get caught up. Well, in this video, we're going to lay out all the steps a person needs to take to get all those unfiled tax returns completed and filed. Let's go. Welcome to Tax Chit Chat, the place where we talk all things tax all the time. I'm Jared, back for another episode. If you have unfiled tax returns, it can be a little scary trying to get the ball rolling. Will the IRS come after me? What if I don't have all my old documents? Where do I start? Okay, let's calm down a minute. The very first thing we recommend that people do is gather your documents. When you have old tax returns to file, it is important for them to be as accurate as possible. So the first thing you want to do is pull together all your records for the years where you did not file. This may include 1099s or W-2s you received for work you performed, mortgage interest you paid, or interest in dividends and stock sales. Now don't worry if you're missing records, because if you are, that's going to be solved in the next step, which is to secure your IRS transcripts. The documents you physically have can be cross-checked by securing the IRS transcripts for the year or years you need to file. Basically, you want to make sure you report everything the IRS has on file for your social security number. Otherwise, they'll eventually send you some nasty letters saying that you didn't report all of your income. And who wants to deal with that, right? Getting the transcripts will cross-check your records, filling in anything that you're missing. The appropriate transcript to request is called the wage and income transcript. You can get it via this page on the IRS website, and you can request it online. Or you can use Form 4506T to request that they be mailed to you. We've put a link in the description of this video to the IRS Get Transcript page as well as the form. Now, the next thing you need to do is prepare your returns. So once you have all the data, you then need to actually prepare the returns. Now, with old returns, the challenge is getting the forms for the year that needs to be filed. Your first option is to go to the IRS website, download them, and then prepare them manually. Now, why is this the first option? Well, because most software makers only offer their software for the current year. Once that year's taxes are done, they are usually on to the next one. However, your next option is to check and see if there is a software provider that offers the year that you need to file. It's not always the case, but it is an option. The last option is to look for a service provider that specializes in old taxes. This can be a real-life local professional or a nationwide company. We offer one such service via our specialty website, filedoldtaxreturns.com. Check the description for this video for a link to that site, pricing, and how the process works. Now, the final thing you want to do is game plan for any balances owed. Unfiled returns are really a two-step process. First, getting the returns prepared and filed, and second, negotiating solutions for any balances due with the IRS Collections Division. So if you find out once all the returns are prepared that there are taxes owed and the balance is too great to pay all at once, then you'll want to come up with a strategy for dealing with it before you contact the IRS. Now, this might involve preparing a financial analysis of your situation, which means looking at your current income, living expenses, property, and debts. This analysis will help you determine if your resolution or your solution will ultimately be to enter into a payment plan, request an offer in compromise, or have your account put in currently uncollectible status. Now, if all of this sounds like a little too much for you, then just know that you can reach out to us via the information in the description of this video and we can help you out. Now, if you have a question that you would like us to answer in a future episode, then feel free to shoot us an email via the address in the description below. And did you find value in this video? Then please consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. Just make sure you click the little bell icon when you do. That way, you'll get a notification whenever we upload a future video. So like I say at the end of every video, until we meet again, keep earning, keep learning, and just like that, this chat is adjourned.